Today we are going to be making an origami spear and shield. What you will need was scissors or a cutting device and 2 square pieces of paper. They have to be square. So let's start with the spear. Turn it around. Fold it in half, and then get your scissors, open this up again, and cut this in half. Okay, you won't need the other half for the origami piece, but you get your best half, you fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. Open up the last fold so that you have a crease down the middle. And fold the corner down. Fold the other corner down to the same area. After that, fold the corner again, like that. So you have a narrow tip. And then just adjust it if it is not level with each other. After that, you fold this in half and then unfold it, and then fold the top down to the middle line of that half, and then fold that down all the way to the middle crease. And you have to keep this kind of pointy. So far it'll look like this. After that, you do the same thing with the other side. Once you've done that, you get it, and you fold this in half like that, so you have that shaft right there. But right here, when you fold it in half, pinch the back like that so that you have that point and you have this spear-like piece of paper, and then you can just push down on the sides to kind of make it circular or cylindrical. Okay, so you're done with the spear. Once you've done that, you get the other sheet of paper that you have, or you can use this. Either way, if you want a big shield, use the full sheet of paper. If you want a small shield, like this, then you use the other half. And you just cut it in half and get your best square. You fold this to the middle, fold the corners to the middle, but leave a gap the same distance, like that. So now you have to keep that same distance. Probably would be best to keep the gap really close, because when you fold it, you might have a lot of gap and not a lot of the color of your paper. And you fold the other sides down to the middle until you have that cross of white and the triangles of the color that you're using. After you've done that, turn it till it's like a diamond. Get this and fold it to the back. So it's like that. Same thing with these sides, but keep the bottom pointed. After that, you got your shield. You kind of bend it to the sides until it's like that, and you got your spear and your shield.